welcome back. Budget right here. I know I've been gone for a while, but my wedding is right around the corner and it's time to put it into gear. So this week I'll be focusing on my flower girl accessories. So if you have a few minutes and you want to make one too, then stay tuned. Don't forget to check the description box for all the supplies and links used. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So to begin this project, I took my floral wire that I got from Michaels and measured my daughter's head. I then used my wire cutters and cut 3 strands, and I'm braiding them together just to make the headband a little thicker and more sturdy. Now I'm going to take this floral tape that I got from the Dollar Tree and just wrap it around the wires. And I'm going to make sure I especially get the ends because I don't want anything poking her in the head. Once I finished wrapping the wire in the floral tape, I remeasured her head and I needed to add some more, so I added a little bit more wire and then I just taped it all together in a circle or in the shape of her head. And that's how it looks. And these are the white flowers that I used in my bridesmaids bouquet video. I ordered them off Amazon. They're latex flowers. And I love them. They're so pretty and they work very well with any project. So now I'm just going to hot glue these onto the headband. I'm gluing them close enough together to close any gaps, but not so close that they're on top of each other. Isn't that cute? I love these flowers. They are super cheap. You get a bunch and they're quality. Now I'm taking some tulle that I purchased from Hobby Lobby with a 40% off coupon, and I'm just going to sew it together. I took the edge that I cut and I'm sewing that edge together because I didn't cut it straight. It was really ugly and I didn't want that to be shown. So I purchased about 2 yards of this tulle, which is way too much for this entire project. So you guys can use more or less depending on how many veils you'd like to make. This veil right here, I measured it about 18 inches for my daughter. So once you have it bunched up, I just ran my needle and thread through a couple times to make sure it's really tight and secure and nothing would come loose. I purchased this hair comb from Hobby Lobby also. It was in the wedding aisle. I believe 6 came in a pack for $1.99. And I'm just going to cover the clear part with some ribbon that also came from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for 50% off, so I believe I only paid $1 for it. And I'm just going to hot glue the ribbon to the hair comb. Now that the ribbon is attached, I'm going to attach the veil with some hot glue also. Now I'm going to attach the hair comb and veil to the head crown with some hot glue also. And you guys, I probably spent about $20 for this project and I have so much material left over. After I attached the veil, I did cover up this spot with more flowers. Alright guys, $20 and 30 minutes later, this is the result and I absolutely love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.